In the fall of 2008, the University of New Mexico's Zimmerman Library began work on a reusable learning object strategy to increase media skills with university students. The library seeks to create learning objects to complement, supplement, and reinforce the current library instruction. Like in most organizations, in order to assure that people, systems, and processes are ready to support the new learning, a project schedule and status log had to be created. A team of librarians and professors were put together to create an analysis of risk and to foster performance in learning. In order to sustain the momentum of the project, 3 strategies were put into place. First, there will be an ongoing support effort to keep the RLOs and the users meeting the performance objectives. Training will also be available in the uses, reuses, and repurposing of each RLO. Lastly, data for satisfaction and student knowledge improvement will be shared with all members of the reusable learning object community. The sponsorship of this strategy will use a team of stakeholders to create a joint effort in creating, maintaining, and championing the use of the RLO. The main sponsors will provide authority, guidance, and will maintain project priorities. The outcome specifier will define the product requirements. The team lead is responsible for defining plans, controls, and leading the work of the project. The team will provide the skills and effort to perform the work. The functional management will provide the resources and maintain the management of company policies. And subject matter experts will provide knowledge and expertise to complete and maintain the project. This will be provided by ambassadors who are community and faculty outreach components and public service, a sector that will reach beyond UNM and local communities. In order to create a common vision, a project agreement has been developed to create schedules, work estimates, and roles and responsibilities. There will also be a quality plan to ensure that the deliverables are in place, quality assurance is planned, and that there are criteria of acceptance. In order to create value, ease of use, portability, and management of one place will be emphasized, as well as the use of websites, LibGuides, and classroom experiences. In order for the project to be sustainable, there is an essential need for human resources. After the initial creation of the tested learning object, it is essential to have one person dedicated to creating, editing, and maintaining the learning objects. This also includes monitoring the quality assurance process in the workflow. Human capital is also essential for the coordination of the metadata process. Performance analysis will be broken into human performance and knowledge performance. Human performance will be analyzed by looking at the people that are in the workflow and creating the objects. It will also include the making of the objects. Knowledge performance assessment will be analyzed through what the learners are saying and through what librarians and other users are saying about the RLOs. In this diagram, we see how the knowledge product will be broken down into factual, conceptual, procedural, and metacognitive processes. After the creation of the object, a subject matter expert will review, changes will be made if necessary, a peer review process will take place, and then the metadata will be cataloged by the department for final review. Metadata will be collected for authors, reviewers, and approvers. Through this extended learning opportunity, Zimmerman Library will continue to aid the University of New Mexico in creating the scholars of tomorrow.